Hello students, welcome back to English learning. Today students, we are going to learn a very important part of English grammar, that is tenses. Now here this topic tenses makes students very tense because they are very confused with the parts of the verb. Now students, today in a very simple way we are going to learn the different types of tenses. So now what is a tense? First we need to know this. A tense is a form of verb used to indicate the time and sometimes the continuous or completeness of action concerning the time of speaking. Okay students, means it indicates the time and the continuity of a work which is completed or action which is which is completed, or the time of speaking, a time of doing any task. In English, tense is a method which refers to time, past, present and future. So now in a very simple way I will explain you different forms of verb. Think that a verb is a grandfather. Okay? And this grandfather was having 3 sons. The first son was present, second son was past and third son was future. And the grandfather is verb. Now this all 3 tenses, the son of verbs, son number 1, son number 2, son number 3. Okay students, a very simple way we are going to learn this. So now son number 1, that is present. Present means what is currently available, present, right now. Past is what has already happened, finished. And future is what is going to come. Simple. Now all this 3 sons, each son was having 4 sons. That was here informative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. So now son number 1 present was having all these 4 sons. Son number 2 past was also having all these 4 sons, and third future also was having all these 4 sons. So now we are going to learn about first present. Now this is divided in 4 more parts students. Simple present, present progressive, present perfect and present progressive. So now we are going to learn what is this. Actually I think you have learned this in your previous class also, but still I will clear the concepts. So now present, for example, I sing, means it's a well thing that you can, it's a truth, you can sing. Progressive means you are singing, I am singing. Perfect, I have sung, already you have sung the song. Is it clear? Now perfect progressive, I have been singing. Simple it is. Then past. Now we need to know about the second son. Now this past means things which are already done. I sang, I was singing. It will come under progressive. I was singing, she was singing, you can say. Perfect, I had sung. Means I had already sung. I had been singing. So now third is future. Now the third son is future. Future means whatever activity or whatever things are going to take place in future. So if we don't know about the future, what it will be? I shall sing, I shall be singing, I shall have sung, I shall have been singing. When it is future, so we are admiring the future. It may happen. So we can use I shall sing. If the time comes, I shall sing. I shall be progressive will be I shall be singing. Progressive. And perfect is I shall have sung. Perfect, I shall have been singing. So it's very simple, only we need to remember this rules. Simple. So now today we'll complete present tense first. So first is simple present tense. Now here this all four are the sons of present tense and present, that too in simple. So now affirmative means whatever is truth. Like you are studying in class 9th, it's a truth. You are studying in Venus Public School, it's a truth. A valid thing also you can say. So if it is said by the second person, then you will be saying you sing. A second person. If you are singing yourself, then I sing. And we sing. If two person, we sing. Second person will use you and they. These are some rules that we have to follow. The third person will say he, she, it and they. All these four will include the third person. So now negative. Now first we need to know what is negative here. Why negative only? Negative means reply of denying. Means I cannot do, I am not doing, means whatever is negative. Means no in the sentence. So I do not sing. Not is coming. We do not sing. So if first person is using, then we should use I and we. Very simple students, only few rules are there. We need to learn and understand the rules. Then second one. If it is used by second, as I have told you, you need to use you and they. You do not sing. Third person, he, she, Amit does not sing. They do not. If all three are mentioned in one sentence, he, she, Amit, then we can say in one line, they do not sing. I think students, you can understand this. Now comes the interrogative. What is interrogative now? Interrogative means asking questions, asking queries. Do I sing? Do we sing? So as I told you, first person always use I and we. I means singular, we means also a single group. Okay students? So second person will use you and they. So here it will come, do you sing? All the sentence in which question is asked is simply to be known as interrogative. Does she, he, Amit sing? Do they sing? Now negative interrogative. In this, here a person is asking a question also and he is not sure about himself also. Do I not sing means the person is confused. He should sing or no. Do we not sing? They are not having their own plans to sing. Now second person, do you not sing means it for a second person. Does he, she, Amit not sing? Do they not sing? So students, I think you have come to know how to use this tenses. It's a simple present tense. These are the form of simple present tenses. Now for example, I will tell you we use simple present tense. Where do we use this? So to express facts, as I have told you, facts, whatever it is, truth. Okay, generalization means the things which are general, and universal truth. For example, the earth rotates from west to east. It's a universal truth. The full world knows this. Delhi is the capital of India. It's a fact. Okay, students? I play the guitar, but I don't play it very well. It's a general thing. You know it about yourself. To express habitual actions, also we use it. He goes to school at 8 a.m. every morning. She gets up 6 a.m. daily. So now students, these are the simple present tenses. So tomorrow in the next video we'll learn the other part, that will be future. Past we'll learn. So today we'll complete all the present.